In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for budgeting, 50 to 30 and 20 rule. By the end, you'll have a clean, simple system to track your money and stay aligned with the classic 50, 30, 20 approach. 50% for needs, 30 for wants, and 20 for savings or debt payments. Start by opening the Notion website in your browser. Once the page loads, look for the Marketplace. This is Notion's collection of ready-made pages and databases you can install in just a click, so you don't have to build everything from scratch. In the Marketplace, go to the search bar and type Budget 50, 30, 20. This will bring up templates built around the 50, 30, 20 rule. You'll see previews and descriptions. Pick a template that clearly separates needs, wants, and savings or debt, and ideally includes a monthly overview so you can see your progress at a glance. When you find one you like, click it to open the full preview. On the template page, click Add. Notion will copy the template into your workspace so you can make it your own. Give it a moment to load and then you're ready to customize. Now for the fun part, tailoring it to your situation. Adjust the monthly income fields so the budgets for needs, wants, and savings calculate correctly. Make sure the categories match your life, things like rent, utilities, and groceries under needs, dining out, entertainment, and shopping under wants, an emergency fund, investments, or debt under savings. If the template uses tags or properties, rename them so they're crystal clear to you. Enter a few sample transactions to test the setup. Add the date, amount, category, and a short note so you remember what each expense was for. Confirm that totals update and any progress bars, summaries, or formulas reflect the 50, 30, 20 split. If your currency or formatting looks off, adjust the number formats in the properties so amounts display correctly. Make the page pleasant to use. Update the title, add an icon or a cover, and hide any sections you don't need so the layout stays uncluttered. The easier it is to read, the more likely you'll stick with it. Going forward, log your expenses consistently and review your dashboard at least once a week. If you see needs creeping above 50%, look for small cuts. If wants are too high, set a cap for the month and celebrate progress in savings, even if it's modest. Consistency wins. That's it. You opened Notion, went to the Marketplace, searched for a 50, 30, 20 budget template, selected it, added it, and customized it to fit your life. Happy budgeting!